Press and hold Start button on WINBOT for 2 seconds to start the fan, then place WINBOT's bottom close to the glass. WINBOT will automatically attach itself and start cleaning. The WINBOT first-time job defaults to deep cleaning. Note: 1. WINBOT is only suitable for flat surfaces without gaps. 2. Please ensure that the glass thickness is not less than 3 mm. 3. It is recommended to keep a distance of at least 10 centimeters from the edge of the window. Short, press the power button on the station to pause WINBOT's current work. If you want to finish cleaning when WINBOT is working, you can press and hold Auto Take Up for 2 seconds or more. Then WINBOT will immediately halt its current task, return to its initial spot, and wait to be removed. If you want to remove your WINBOT, press and hold the power button on WINBOT for 2 seconds or more to stop the fan.
Firmly hold WINBOT as it is about to detach.
Then, take WINBOT off according to voice prompts. This chapter ends here. Thank you for watching. You can also click on the Help section in the app settings to watch more instructional videos.